Hi, I'm Nicole, an occupational therapist from the Note Ninjas. Together with Stephanie, the physical therapist, we teach other PTs, OTs, and assistants documentation tips and treatment ideas. So today I want to talk to you about this really cool treatment idea that we found. Now, all you need, it's really simple. You can use cones like this, you can use cups, really any type of visual cue, and a piece of resistance band. So you're going to really tailor this activity to the patient's abilities. So if the patient has limited shoulder stability and strength, then maybe you want to use a lighter wristband. But this is good for shoulder stabilization, especially after a shoulder injury. If your patient is working on that strengthening, working on that stabilization, this is a great way to do it. So all you need is a looped resistance band like this. You're going to put your hands in. I put it at about wrist level just to keep it stable. Okay, and then all you need is a flat surface. And first you can start setting it up by just having maybe two cones over here. And depending on the range of motion, maybe just have it right here and have you instruct your patient to abduct their shoulder and tap their hand to the top of the cone or whatever visual cue you're using. And then you can do the other side. Okay, and as the patient becomes a little bit more advanced, you can have them go over a threshold, okay, and you can make it higher, you can keep it flat, but having that little bit of over helps with that shoulder stabilization, some strengthening, range of motion, and all those great things for the shoulder. It also helps with some wrist stability too, so you're keeping your hand in neutral, so working all those muscles in the forearm, okay, and then you can also have the cone or visual cue up here and have them reach a little bit higher. As you can see, my shoulders flexing a little bit more. You can just have them reach towards it. Okay, and then you could even do it bilaterally. So this is great because it keeps your shoulders and your hands all aligned, and they have to keep that resistance on it because they're stretching out at the outside of the cone. Okay, you can even put tape or markers here to really have them target using a visual cue where to put their hands for hand placement, okay, so that they're really getting that motion. This is also great for balance. I'm working my core, just keeping reaching forward. So we love this activity. It's so easy because you can just use a resistance band. Like I said, you can use cones, cups, taller cones, any type of visual cue, some paper, whatnot, and a flat surface. So that's all you need. For more treatment ideas and documentation tips, make sure to follow us, the Note Ninjas.